I am extremely proud to stand here today with the most genuine and loving woman I have ever met. Not only are you always ready to join me on our spontaneous adventures, but you're also so very content to stay at home with me and the kids.
Standing here with you before God's creation, I choose you. I may fall short sometimes, but my love and devotion to you will never waver.
Who would have thought that a couple of cats that I didn't even want would have brought me the love of my life? The moment I saw how amazing of a mom you were, and the magical moment we shared at my dad's beautiful ranch. And who could forget Emily out fishing everyone out there? And no, I promise she didn't make me write that.
God has blessed us so much to be grateful for, especially our beautiful children. I promise to never take that for granted. With His guidance, I vow to love you through every season, to pray with you, and to always be your biggest fan.
I know that no matter where our life takes us, that I will always have you by my side, creating a life filled with happiness, laughter, and love. I promise to never doubt you, and not only help you make your dreams come true, but also help you make new ones. And I promise to always be faithful to you, always respect you, and never lie to you. I promise I will love you unconditionally no matter what challenges life brings our way. I love you, Stacey.
You are my best friend, my partner, and my forever. I will choose you every day. I have found the one whom my soul loves. I know without a doubt that is you. And together with God at the center, we will only get stronger. I love you so very much.
And I'm yours.